Hey guys, today we're making kofta, and kofta is a fatty cut of ground beef spiced nicely and mixed with some finely chopped parsley and onions. And kofta is great on the grill, but also great in the oven. Let me show you my version of the baked kofta. I'm gonna mix 2 pounds of beef, 85% and grass-fed, with the spices that I'm gonna list in the description box below, and with 1 cup of onion and 1 cup of very finely chopped parsley. I set aside and start working on the vegetables. I'm gonna slice lots of sweet peppers. I want to be able to cover the whole pan with peppers and tomatoes. I peel the tomatoes and then slice them very thinly. And these peppers are so sweet and tasty. And I'm not gonna end up using the 2 pounds of beef. I'm gonna save some in the freezer. It was never frozen. I put it in Ziploc and in the freezer for another day. I arrange the meat in the pan in a thin layer, and then I'm gonna top it with the vegetables. It's that easy. This cut of meat has some fat, so it's gonna shrink a little bit in the oven. The vegetables will roast on top of the meat and will add so much flavor. Salt, pepper, and add some allspice to the vegetables. When you're done, and bake in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I get rid of the fat that's drained from the meat. If you like these recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification button so that you won't miss any recipe. I hope you give it a try soon. It's amazingly easy and super delicious. I serve it with some toasted naan bread or pita bread and some pickles. And until next time, bon appétit!